Another just completed restoration is this Tri-ang Scalextric MMC 57 Aston Martin. I've had this car a very long time, having first acquired the upper and lower body shell and front axle many years ago now. So long ago I can't remember. But it's been languishing. I've picked up a couple of bits like the head, the grille. I put a motor in, and I had a rear axle but with no wheels. But in the large haul of scrapyard that had the two custom painted made in Australia MMC 54 Lotus 16 cars, there was a correct axle for this car, so I was able to complete it finally after many years of it languishing in a box. So there's a G3 guide type or medium head, but the G3 guide type came out in 1961 following the G2, which only was used for 1 year. Slightly easier braids to change with the G3, so that was the benefit. Taking a look at the inside, so the G3 car just has a different guide, still the same RX motor. They mainly have the nylon gear for the contrate than the metal gear like the first. The G2 cars from 1960. This car could come with lights. This particular one didn't, but in the large haul scrapyard there are two lighted MMC 57 Aston Martin bodies in the exact same colour. So two blue cars. I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure I can build one car, but I don't think I can build two. And it took a long time to get a rear axle because these cars have the wheels are secured by being heated onto a flared axle, so they're not meant to come off, and they get damaged when they come off and can be irreparable. So it takes quite a while to find the wheels for these cars. I have a lot of bodies and very few wheels for these early cars. It's a major problem with restoring stock cars is the wheels go missing. So they're the hard bits to find, and it took many years to get a rear axle with wheels. I have plenty of tyres. I have oodles of tyres, but it's very hard to get wheels. So when you buy these, you really want to get one that's got wheels. It takes many years. It'd be a good 15 years that I've had this car, just waiting to get two wheels on the rear axle. So that's the Tri-ang Scalextric MMC 57 Aston Martin with the G3 guide type or medium head.